Welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt your heart beat fast when you try to speak English? You know the words, but your voice stops. What if fear is the real problem, not English? And what if I show you a simple step-by-step practice that removes this fear in just 7 days? Stay with me because this video is not about grammar. It is about freedom. And by the end, you will feel ready to speak. Before we begin, do one small thing for yourself. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment, "I will speak." This is not for me, this is for you. Each chapter builds on the next. If you watch the full video, you will feel the change. Now, let's move forward without slowing down. Chapter 1. Fear is the real enemy. Let me tell you something important. You are not bad at English. Most people never notice this. The real enemy is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of people laughing. Fear of silence. This fear sits in your chest and blocks your voice. You feel it before you even open your mouth. But here's the strange part. Fear grows when you stay quiet. Every time you don't speak, fear becomes stronger. Think about this moment. Someone asks you a simple question in English. Maybe, "How are you?" You know the answer, but your brain starts running fast. Grammar, accent, wrong words. And suddenly, you say nothing. That silence hurts more than any mistake. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. Speaking badly is better than not speaking at all. Most people believe confidence comes first, then speaking. That is wrong. Speaking comes first. Confidence comes after. This is a top moment. Because once you understand this, your mindset shifts. Fear does not go away by thinking, it goes away by action. Small action, safe action. This is why shadowing works. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. You don't stop, you don't think, you follow the voice. But here's the strange part. Fear cannot live when your mouth is busy. When you shadow, your brain has no time to panic. You are too focused on copying sound. In this chapter, understand one truth. Fear is not your personality. Fear is a habit, and habits can be changed. In the next chapter, I will show you the exact method that removes fear without pressure. Stay with me. This is where things start to feel easier. Chapter 2. Shadowing the No Fear Method. Now, let's talk about shadowing in the simplest way. Shadowing means listening and speaking together at the same time, not after, with the speaker. Most people never try this because it feels strange at first. But here's the strange part. Strange means new, and new means growth. When you shadow, you don't worry about mistakes. Why? Because you are not creating sentences. You are copying them. Let me show you what changed everything. When you copy, your brain relaxes. There is no fear of, "What should I say?" The words are already there. Many beginners think they must understand every word before speaking. This belief destroys progress. Most people never notice this trap. Understanding improves after speaking, not before. Babies don't understand grammar. They copy sound. You are doing the same thing, and it works. At first, your mouth feels slow. Your tongue feels heavy. This is a top moment because it means your muscles are learning something new, just like exercise. Pain means growth. But don't worry, this feeling disappears quickly. Shadowing removes fear because it removes decision making. You don't choose words, you follow. And when you follow, fear has no space. After a few minutes, you notice something surprising. Your voice becomes steady. Your breathing becomes calm. This is not magic. This is biology. In the next chapter, I will break this into simple steps. No confusion, no pressure, just a clear path you can follow today. Keep going. You are doing great. Chapter 3, Step by Step Practice. Now, let's make this practical. Step 1, choose very simple audio, short sentences, clear voice, real English, not fast news, not movies yet. Most people fail because they choose hard content. Easy content creates confidence. Step 2, listen once. Don't speak, just listen. Feel the rhythm, feel the pauses. This prepares your brain. But here's the strange part. Don't repeat yet. Step 3, play it again. Now speak with the voice, not after, with it. Even if you miss words, even if you feel lost. Keep going. This is a viewer spike moment because this is where fear tries to stop you. Don't let it. Step 4, do this for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Not 1 hour, not 3 hours. Consistency beats time. Most people never notice this. Short daily practice changes more than long weekly practice. What should you not do? Don't pause too much. Don't translate. Don't correct every mistake. Let me show you what changed everything. Flow is more important than accuracy at the start. After you finish, take one deep breath. Smile. You spoke English. That matters. In the next chapter, I'll tell you what changes after just 3 days of this simple routine. And yes, the change is real. Chapter 4. After 3 days, something small but powerful happens. Fear becomes quieter, not gone, but smaller. You notice your mouth opens faster. You don't freeze as long. This is a top moment. Many learners feel hope here for the first time. Most people never notice this change because they quit too early. But you didn't. You stayed. And now your brain starts trusting your voice. Listening becomes clearer. You catch familiar sounds. You recognize phrases. This feels good. Here's the strange part. Even when you make mistakes, you don't panic. You keep going. This is progress. Fear loses power when you don't stop. You may notice your pronunciation feels smoother. Not perfect, but smoother. Your confidence starts growing quietly. No fireworks, just calm belief. And now, imagine this feeling becoming stronger, because after 7 days, the shift is even bigger. Let's move forward. Chapter 5, The 7-Day Shift. After 7 days, something important changes. You stop translating every sentence in your head. Not always, but often. This is huge. This is the bridge to real speaking. Your rhythm improves. Your pauses feel natural. You feel less embarrassed. Most people never reach this stage because they don't trust the process. But you did. Here's the strange part. People may notice before you do. They say, "You sound better." This is a powerful moment. Confidence grows fast here. Fear does not control you anymore. It visits, but it doesn't stay. You know what to do. You shadow. You speak. You move forward. Now the question is simple. How do you keep this confidence forever? That's what the final chapter is about. Chapter 6, Your Fear-Free Routine. This is your routine every day, 10 to 15 minutes. One audio, one focus, shadow, speak, smile. Morning or night, it doesn't matter. What matters is showing up. Rotate content to stay excited. Stories, conversations, daily life English. Use shadowing for real life. Before a call, before a meeting, before speaking to someone. Warm up your voice. Fear disappears when your mouth is ready. Imagine yourself 1 month from now, speaking calmly, making mistakes without shame, enjoying English.